Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to free up storage space on Android phone. So let's get started. First of all, go to your settings app on your Android phone. Then you have to find battery and device care. And it's over here, so just tap on it. And after that, if you want to free up the storage space, you can click on memory right here. Then we can click on, we can click on clean now over here. Then we just need to wait until 100%. Alright guys, and actually there is another way to free up storage space. We can go back to the previous menu. Then we can click on storage right here. Then wait, it's still loading. Okay, and if we want to free up the storage space, we can clean the trash right here, or we can also clean the duplicate files on our Android phone. Alright guys, and that's how we can free up storage space on Android phone. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.